our city's Monster Truck Stadium, and it looks like the show will soon begin. It's a popular event. Hey, there's Tom in the crowd. And there's Marley doing some impressive stunts, and he's only warming up. Oh, gee, Marley's had an accident, and it looked pretty painful, even for a monster truck. Let's hope he's all right. You're right, Tom. The show starts in a few minutes. There's not enough time to get Marley fixed up. Good idea, Tom. Maybe Carl can take his place while you take Marley away to be fixed. But first, let's call Super Truck. Hey, Carl, Marley needs your help. He's injured himself training for the Monster Truck show and needs you to take his place. Are you going to use the secret tunnel to get to your cave? Which box are you going to pick, Carl? Ready to go and put on a monster of a show? Great. Can that elevator take you to the stadium? Awesome. Super Truck's here to take Marley's place in the show. Way to go, Super Truck! Looks like he's about to show us his best move. Ooh, it's going to hurt when he lands. Hang on, he's still in the air. He's flying. Boy, am I glad you two came back in time to see the end of the show. Super Truck is putting on an amazing performance. That was awesome. It's no wonder everyone is queuing up to get Super Truck's autograph. Even Marley wants Super Truck's autograph. But for Super Truck, Marley is the original monster truck here, and he wants Marley's signature. What an exciting day. Super Truck put on a great show while Tom took Marley away to be fixed, and everyone got to meet their hero. You're the best, guys. See you next time.